Ojaguruna, Pangin Shibanatamda, Hasna, Natujari Haidina. Warm welcome to each one of you present here on this auspicious occasion of and creativity illuminate. Presenting a Kamui traditional stone, a bouquet, and a memento inspired by the Western Gate of Kangla, which is also the logo of Manipur State Kala Academy, the regal gateway that stays as a symbol for. Today, we of the first from the state to receive the prestigious Lalit Kala Academy Award and has also been bestowed with various other honors including Manipur State Kala Academy Fellow, Manipur State Kala Academy Award, Pranab Borwa Art Award and Governor's Art Award. In recognition of his long-standing contribution to especially fine arts, Koidingjam Tombi Singh is honored with Manipur State Kala Academy Lifetime Achievement Award 2023. Natya Sankirtana music. He has also produced several artists of Natya Sankirtana Pong Guru at Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy. He is also serving as Pumveda Najaba and number 1 of Sri Sri Govindaji Temple. Earlier, he has been bestowed with Manipur State Kala Academy Awards for his exemplary contribution to the field of Manipuri culture, especially Natya Sankirtana. Sri Sapam Kulabi Singh is honored with Manipur State Kala Academy Fellow. Been conferred with Manipur State Kala Academy Awards. For his immense contribution to Manipuri culture through Samamila, Sri Ayapam Inakunda Singh is honored with Manipur State Kala Academy Fellow.